What's up YouTube, Ashley Michelle here, and we are jumping straight into this video today. You guys, quarantine has literally had my eyebrows growing crazy, but don't worry, if you do have quarantine crazy eyebrows like myself, keep on watching because in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to groom your eyebrows at home without waxing. And as always, all of the tools that I'll be using in this video will be listed down below in the description box. However, today I will be using the Nair Facial Hair Remover Cream to get these eyebrows back in check. Here I'm just showing you all that I'm just going to focus on removing the extra hairs that are not in line with the rest of my eyebrow hairs. But first I'm going to use a lash and brow comb to brush all of my eyebrow hairs in the same natural direction that my eyebrow hairs naturally grow in. Doing this step will also help you see what your natural eyebrow shape is if you're not quite sure what shape you want to go for. Next, I'm going to be using a small concealer brush as if I were going to outline my brows with concealer, but I'm going to be using the Nair hair removal to outline the shape of my eyebrows. And right here you all will see I was moving very slow and steady during this part because I was so nervous that I was going to nair my entire eyebrow off camera and probably literally go viral. But you guys, please be very careful when you're doing this step so that way you do not make any mistakes. After I let the Nair sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, I wiped everything off with a warm, damp, clean washcloth. Now, I will say the face cream is not as harsh as compared to the regular Nair for your legs, so I definitely will be trying this out once everything grows back in. Here is what both brows look like, and now I'm simply going to use my tweezers to clean up any hairs that didn't get taken off by the Nair. And I know you all, I definitely was not in the frame the entire time during this part. My bad, I'm sorry. But all you have to do is simply use light pressure when you're plucking your hairs out of place so that way you can avoid ingrown hairs and irritation. And voila, here are the final results. No more crazy quarantine eyebrows. You all cannot tell me that my eyebrows do not look like I just went to the spa and got them waxed. You guys, this process literally only took me 10 minutes to groom both eyebrows, and I would definitely recommend using this product. And also, you guys, off camera, I did apply coconut oil just to moisturize my skin and also help avoid that red irritation. Alright y'all, that is all that I have for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed this video of me showing you guys how I groom my eyebrows at home when I don't have time to go to the spa. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video, so please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also, do not forget to drop me a comment down below of your thoughts on this video and what things that you guys do at home to groom your eyebrows or do any other self-care things at home. So please let me know that. I would love to hear you guys' thoughts. And also, do not forget to turn those post notifications on and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. And y'all already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin'. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.